Welcome, polar bears and polar cubs. We are going to be performing a double replacement activity. So, within our different wells, we're going to drop three drops going from the top down. So, we're going to do 1 through 6 here. So, I'm going to skip a well so we can kind of see what the reaction does. So, the first one, we're going to take 3 drops of calcium chloride. We have those 3 drops. We're going to add 3 drops of sodium carbonate. And I don't know if you can really see that with it based on the white, but you can see that they went from clear solutions to now having kind of a white cloud within it. The second one we're going to do is ammonium nitrate. Right there. And then we're going to add sodium hydroxide. So looking at that, I kind of see some bubbles, very tiny bubbles right around the edge. And you kind of get a little bit of a faint smell. The next one that we're going to do is magnesium sulfate and ammonium nitrate. So we're going to do that one right here. 3 drops of magnesium sulfate. And then we'll add 3 drops of ammonium nitrate. Looking at that, I don't see really anything happening. The next one we're going to do is copper 2 sulfate. Okay, it's kind of light blue to it. And then 3 drops of sodium hydroxide. And I hope you can see that there's a little bit of a kind of like solid maybe forming at the bottom. So we're going to do the 5th one. We're going to do that one right here. You get a little bit of hydrochloric acid. And sodium carbonate. I hope you guys can see those bubbles popping through. It's good reaction had occurred right there. And number 6 and the final one, we're going to take 3 drops of silver nitrate. And then we're going to take 3 drops of calcium chloride. Both of those solutions are kind of clearish. And now we have this kind of white floating within a liquid. All right. What I want you to do is kind of see how your theoretical observations were close or not close to your experimental observations, and then kind of maybe write down a little bit of why you think they were and why you think they may not have been.